like that.
Oh my God, Patty. Like, you need the light better than that.
That's you. I mean,
Oh my God.
scared.
Holy shit. Don't make noise. Guys, maybe this is a bad idea.
Adam, come back.
No.
Let's go.
No.
Shit. Come on, man. No. Don't push out on me now, man.
We need more light.
Fuck that. Let's do it. What about werewolves? Ain't no werewolves. You ain't gotta worry about werewolves. Wanna know where I came? Well, Mama, werewolves don't exist.
What about coyotes?
Wolves do, not werewolves.
Wolves eat people.
Yeah, they do. That's true.
Shit.
Come on, Patty.
Patty, you got the light.
No, this was a timber. Come on, let's go through the black woods. You know what? I got my walkie-talkie. I'll see y'all in about 20 minutes.
Come on, Patty. Hold on, wait, we gotta turn them on. 10-4, 10-4. I scared them. I saw that shit. I saw that shit. Oh, you gotta admit that was good.
I'm gonna beat the shit out of your ass later. Just for that, you lead the trail.
I need the light and I'll lead it.
Come on, Patty. She said she'll lead.
I'll lead.
I don't want to be in the back.
Go in the middle. He's got, oh.
I'll be in the back. How about that?
Alright, you gotta give me the light though.
No.
Patty, you gotta give
I'll
me the...
hold it for you.
No, I can't see it because I'm gonna be in blocking the light. I'll go.
I'm in the back. She's in the middle. I mean, you're in the middle. Come on. No, you said you bored. Let's do it. Okay, go.
Hold on. I'm trying to flip this.
Oh, scary. Come on, set it up.
Not at nighttime.
You know I'm a little bit faster now.
No, come on now.
I don't want to go in.
You said you were bored. This is something else. At a certain point, I'll stop and you'll turn around. Come on.
No.
But, I just need... Sam, can you move?
That's what's freaking me out, Kim.
What is?
Where
What's that?
aren't you going? The motherfucker's gonna jump on and get us. He's gonna get us. I'm shining a light over there ain't gonna stop it. He's trying to get here and keep walking.
I'm here.
Scared. How do you lead it?
I don't know.
Okay then.
Y'all want me to lead?
We don't even have a good flashlight.
You want me to lead, yes or no? If I lead, will you follow?
No.
He's got a machete.
No, Adam, I don't ain't going in there.
If I went in there, you would have to come get me, right?
Oh, come on.
Oh, shit. Don't scare us, though. Watch that shit. 10-4, 10-4. He jumped out of Patricia. Come on, let's go. You have the machete. We need it.
I need a cigarette.
Patty, honestly, I don't think there's shit in here because there's so much population around here.
There's no population around here except for this.
Let's light a cigarette and let's brave it. Let's go back. Go, Patty. Go. Okay, good. See how I can't see shit. Fine. Here it comes. 10-4, 10-4. That's not him. Huh? 10-4, 10-4. That's not him.
Yes, it was. I heard the echo.
10-4, 10-4.
You turned it on.
Huh?
Why is he wrong?
Let's get a cigarette. Let's go in the light. Huh?
What's in here?
Here. Cigarette. We need more flashlights. I'll go in there if we had more. If we each have a flashlight, I'd go in there.
We gotta go get him though.
Huh? What'd you say?
Oh, I just saw something. What? Way in the distance, I saw something glow. I bet you. And it reflected off of his machete. See? See? You see it?
Yeah, what is that?
It's his machete. You have it.
We're walking. Stay close.
Adam!
Just wait for us. Tell him to wait. Adam, please wait. Hey, let's not go on.
He's right there. Adam, I'm scared.
You don't know that? It feels cold here. Don't leave me, Patty, okay? You have a flashlight.
Adam, the machete leaves off a reflection.
His shirt has a reflection.
Your shirt too.
Yeah. These ain't camouflaging colors.
Stop ahead. What does that sign mean?
Go.
Why'd you shut it off?
Did I tell you that?
Come on.
Yeah.
Alright, which way? Shine the light down this way.
Let me see the light. We can either go that way. That spooky path up there.
Yeah, let's go that way.
Or this way. I want to go this way.
No, I want to go that way.
You can go up.
Oh, I just heard something back there. Oh my god.
You did?
How yeah, I did.
No, don't do that, Adam. Come on, shine the light over there.
Go. Go. It's like the Blair Witch Project. Go.
See, now I'm definitely going down.
That was a low budget ass movie. They spent $50,000.
That was a true story.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
No, it wasn't.
Alright. That was actual footage. For most of it, yes, it was.
Come on, let's go find the Blair Witch.
You got the flashlight, Adam. Wait. Come on. Got your knife out?
Alright, you go there.
Maybe
I got the light this way. That way you can see. Come on, boo. I'm behind you.
Come on, don't leave me with the light.
Okay, let's go. Come on. I definitely don't want you having a candy behind you. Okay?
There's a house right there. You know, there's a house there.
You scared?
Yes.
How scared?
Very scared.
Like 11, 1 to 10. How scared?
Like 11.
How scared are you, Kim? Okay, lead the way. No. Again.
We all don't have flashlights. When I was in the woods, we had none. All we had was film on one fucking light. But there was about 15 of us. And there was people walking. Don't do that shit.
just
Come
fucking
on,
with y'all.
man.
Okay. I'm just fucking with you. Alright. Come on. I ain't gonna do it no more. Come on. Come on, Patty.
Patty!
Patty, if I went into the woods by myself, you wouldn't come back? Oh, my lovely wife. Give me the flashlight. I'll see y'all later.
Wait for me! Wait, shine a light so I can see.
Go ahead.
See ya. Shine a light, I can't see. Adam! Damn it, man, this is the only light we have and the battery's dying. I'm not fucking kidding, I did hear something. I gotta hear sick. Can't see shit down there. Adam, please come back.
My brave wife sent her insane husband into the woods by himself.
I did not.
Come on, man. Let's at least.
Can we get? Do we have another flashlight?
I can't handle that, Adam.
Do we have another flash? Let's light a torch. Let's get a little stick. A stick.
It'll burn the fire.
And we'll probably get sued and incarcerated and all type of shit.
Not if we make a small one
Mm.
and put a little.
You see how close the trees are? They should have kept somehow, some way. Come on, man.
I need more light.
Look, how about this? How about I lead the way? Okay. I know you done went through a pack. Can I show it? This is fucking fun, man. In the trees, in the dark, we used to do this shit all the time.
We don't know where we are, Adam. No, you need to hold on to that, because you like to disappear.
Yeah, I do. Come on.
I'm not going to that.
Hey, what's this? Wait, not up in the winter. Don't we? You might see the same TikTok that works.
Well, can you slow up some?
Come on, man, woman.
Don't fucking scare me, because I got my mace out.
You got mace?
I'm ready to say it.
Alright, good.
I told you I heard something before. No, Adam, come on.
Let's just go a little into it and just.
Where's your will to live an adventure? You know you're living when you're doing something exciting. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely terrifying right now.
But you with me. I thought I was your knight in training army and shit like that.
Yeah, but what if a coyote is coming out, Adam? What are you gonna do?
I will cut that bitch into half. I was sharpening my shit today. I'll cut it while y'all rush.
But one coyote, he's scared of the noise, isn't he?
Yeah, so why would we hear a noise?
No. What I'm saying is, usually they're scared of them. There's owls, there's birds, there's a whole bunch of different things in here.
Well, we had a disadvantage. Them bitches can see really good in the dark.
Adam!
Hey, are you coming, yes or no? If we're not, then let's go back. But if we are, let's move forward.
Okay, let's go back.
You want to do this in daytime?
Yeah.
Feel more comfortable doing it that way?
Yeah.
How you feel, Candy? You want to do it in daytime?
We can.
I won't be scared to do it at any time.
Could we at least go up to, like, at least right over there, then come back?
Can't we just do it tomorrow?
Okay. I like these questions, though. Can I at least run up there by myself, then?
No.
Fucking good. Daddy, how do you feel?
No.
Give me 2 minutes.
Two minutes, Adam.
Alright, start counting.
If you're not back, we're coming for you.